So here's the deal. Maybe you don't think you need light. So let's take a look at this Jeep right here. It looks really nice. Look at that shine. So, as I said, we're looking pretty good. Doesn't seem to be a problem until you bring a little light into the equation. Now, here's my question for you. Yeah, you can put on a headlamp, but you're never gonna get your head that close to the paint. Look, you can use a sunlight, you can use all the different lights, but then it's two-handed operation, and you've got to jump from that light to your polisher. It's not always there, like that is right on your polisher. You can put a light behind you on a stand. What good does that do you when you're between the light and the paint, and then you've got shadows? Doesn't do you any good. You can spend $5 grand on a bay. That will help, that's great, but if you're a mobile guy, it sure won't help you. But if those lights are behind you at any point and you get that shadow, once again, the light's not helping you. Get yourself the cheapest, most convenient polisher lighting option on the planet. The buff brights will last about 10 to 12 hours most times on one charge. They're anti-vibrational, they easily detach. See that little detachment there? It'll pop right off with one hand, just snap. You can take it over and charge it. You can move it to your extractor. You can move it to a headlamp, anything you want. Cheapest option on the planet that will follow you on your whole car. You are gonna love every minute of having the perfect lighting in the most convenient place you can have it. BuffBrite.com.